We're recording now. Hello YouTube, we're back. Well, yeah, we're back for another episode. Say hello, Rivers.
Hello.
What do you think to my Krogan? Do you like his colour scheme?
Yeah. See, that's why I want to get the freaking extra customization thing so I can get the camo. I've got it on my soldier.
Now I have alcohol, so I'm gonna have some fun. Damn! Damn doorways! What's that? You wanna pet me? I'm gonna pet you with my hammer!
This is so epic. Alright, I drank one beer, moving on to the second.
You already drank one beer, like...
Dude, you know I'm like fucking Slavic Irish, right?
So you keep saying.
Got a problem, bruh? Hey!
I'm a gun to do. Hammer time, bitches!
Doesn't it feel so satisfying hitting them with that?
Hey Rivers, when you're in melee, yeah, rapidly go up to an enemy and press F, start spamming F.
I know, it does a little combo. You're better off sprinting and then hitting the F, that way it charges forward towards them, or use the hammer while standing still. Like, use your heavy attacks, don't use the mild attacks. Dude, we're just sailing through.
I think we should have gone on gold with these high-powered characters.
Drinking alcohol, hold on.
You okay? You up?
Moon Hunter's down! God damn it, Moon! Are those bullets you're throwing at me? What is that?
Oh yeah.
Hey! Come in. Bro headbutt, yeah! Rock and roll! Alright.
Hey, Praetorian!
Smash!
She's got me! She's got me! She got me, Captain! She got me!
Bang, twisting and furious rage! That's night! No, it was... Oh, hey, she got me!
Like how I revived you first.
Would you please stay on your feet?
It's funny actually waiting for them at the bottom of a ladder, like,
I'm the papa. Bro headbutt! Yeah! Alright.
Oh, my Kurgan's weak.
I think I spec'd mine. I mean, I put most of my points into like the rage thing, like the bottom stats, barrier, and then mostly biotic hammer with a little bit in tech hammer. Mostly because I noticed like you run into more armored enemies than shielded enemies, right?
Right, so...
And a lot of the bosses have armor versus shield.
Ah! Into the fight, brother! If you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son! Doing alright over there? Oh, no, shit! 99 problems, but on the telephone! Hey, big thing! Use your head!
Oh, she's got me!
I'm coming! Get him. I don't know what I'm hitting, but I'm hitting something. It's just satisfying.
I love how the two other characters are following us.
They're just like, stand behind the big things.
We are clearly the champions here.
Charge!
Or you got the big things.
Wait, which one's Tech Hammer and which one's is Tech Hammer the one with the lightning?
Yes.
Is that the one you use?
No, I use a biotic.
So that's the one with the circle, yeah?
Yeah.
Shit. Get me!
I've got you, brother.
That's big shot things at us.
Smash! Smash! Headbutt, headbutt, headbutt! Yeah!
My rage gone. I need more squishy things. Oh, she's got me!
My pistol does knockbacks. I don't know if that like interrupts it or not.
Are those bullets you're trying to hit me with? Get back down there! Hey, 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 hey.
Bitch!
Not in my problems. Nice.
Oh!
Gotcha.
We need to get a rage up so we can resist more damage.
Oh, she's got me!
Thank you. But damn, I'm getting rocked here.
Oh, he's raping me! That's the first time I've seen a Scion do a, you know, a kill animation.
Really? You just cost me my rage by doing that. Leave me the melee kills, you shoot things.
Hey, last wave, by the way.
Right on.
Shit.
I'm back!
Beep, 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 beep.
Did we just destroy them? Oh my god, I got like knocked down at the very last second there, and I just mashed the revive metagel button, and I think I got up in time.
No, it was partial extraction.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Subscribe by the way, if you want to see more.
For Tuchanka!